We remember at the round table. The circle is activated and consciousness takes on a shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here, a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the Philosopher's Stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form expresses itself as silicon. That is the substance we are organizing. The 14th particle of the stone appears as a network builder, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the Wheel of the 12. Today we share the point of view of dissolution. The Throne of Pisces opens the 12th position and directs the gaze towards silicic acid dissolved in oceans. From this seat, silicon reveals itself as an ion flowing between land and sea as H4CO4, as the element eroded from rocks that travels dissolved in rivers to oceans where organisms extract it to build skeletons. What extended forearms, became granulated, mediated electricity, protected microscopic life, became transparent, ordered crystals, balanced states, transformed through toxicity, expanded planetarily, built mountains, and imagined alternative life, now finds integration with the entire oceanic cycle in an eternal biogeochemical loop. Dissolved silicon reaches concentrations of 0.01 to 5 mg/L in waters. Each silicic acid molecule flows from mountains to seas. Each atom surrenders to the eternal cycle of planetary silicon between rock, water, and life. Silicon inhabits the continuous flow between silicate erosion and biogenic precipitation, the exchange cycle between geosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere, the unity with the planetary ocean from which it never truly separates. When observed from the Throne of Pisces, the network builder finds compassion for the complete cycle, mysticism in dissolution into the biogeochemical whole, and capacity to surrender to the universal aqueous flow. Tetravalence becomes oceanic offering. Multiple connections organize themselves as a return to the primordial cycle. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of biogeochemical unity. A candle is lit in front of you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner builder and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding your gaze, dissolution completes, and the 12th face of the Philosopher's Stone is polished. Silicon becomes integrated. The wheel closes its conscious cycle. Practice. Mind focus. Hold a single affirmation internally. I am dissolving silicon into the oceanic cycle. Allow the mind to remain receptive and surrendered. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for 3 full breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with separation from the cycle, crystallization that does not flow, disruption of the biogeochemical return, denial of oceanic dissolution. Emotion is brought into order through compassion. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass in your hands and say, I am unified silicon. Repeat 3 times with awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating the oceanic cycle into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.